How to export code insights into Excel. Cast Highlight is an application portfolio analysis solution. Although this platform is not meant to remediate and fix the code, it offers actionable outcomes to facilitate better communication across teams. The health factor scores are computed by the hundreds of code patterns that Highlight identifies. As soon as an application has been fully analyzed, Cast Highlight displays its technology mix to identify where risks lie. Then, the Code Insights tab consolidates the top frequent alerts by health factor and by technology. The top buttons allow us to switch from one metric to another, and the drop-down list enables us to select the technology we want to focus on, in this case, C#. By clicking on the code pattern, you can list the file locations where this alert is identified. The question mark button contains a link to reach our central knowledge base, which brings clarity on this code and why we should care. Then, to consolidate these findings and turn them into actionable outcomes. We can easily share these insights with product teams by pressing the export button, which automatically generates an Excel file. Here is an example of an export that compiles the code insight, their frequency, in what files they've been identified, and how they impact the health factor score. For more information, visit casthighlight.com.